What is a fraction? Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn something fun and useful? Today, we're going to explore fractions. Think about a cake. A whole cake is usually too big for one person to eat alone, right? So we cut it into pieces and eat only a part of it. That part of the whole cake is called a fraction. So, a fraction simply means a part of a whole. How do fractions work? Let's understand this with a cake example. Imagine a cake is cut into 4 equal slices. That means the whole cake is divided into 4 equal parts. If you eat one slice, it means you ate 1 out of 4 parts. We write it like this: 1/4. This is called a fraction. Understanding the numbers. In the fraction 1/4, the top number, 1, tells how many parts you have taken. The bottom number, 4, tells how many equal parts the whole was divided into. So, top number equals parts taken, bottom number equals total parts. Parts of a fraction. Every fraction has 2 important parts. The numerator, right arrow, the top number, shows parts taken. The denominator, the bottom number, shows total equal parts. The line between them means division. So a fraction is actually a division of parts. Example 1. 1/2. Now imagine a pie cut into 2 equal pieces. If you eat one piece, you have eaten 1 out of 2 parts. That is written as 1/2. Here, 1 is the numerator, you took 1 piece. 2 is the denominator, total 2 pieces. Example 2. 1/3. Now take a chocolate bar divided into 3 equal parts. If you eat one part, that means you ate 1/3. Numerator equals 1, you ate 1 piece. Denominator equals 3, total pieces. Easy trick to remember. Here's a simple trick. Think: n equals numerator equals near the top, d equals denominator equals down below. This helps you remember which number goes where. Final review. Great job! Let's quickly revise. A fraction shows a part of a whole. The numerator tells how many parts you have. The denominator tells total equal parts. The line means division. Keep practicing and you'll become a fraction expert in no time.